Let's take a look at this Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 instant camera. This is raspberry flavored, comes in many different colors. I thought this would look really good on a video. I've been wanting to try one of these for quite a while now. Really colorful packaging. This camera gives you instant pictures like this. This is what is included in the package. You get an instant camera, strap, batteries and instruction manual, but no film. You have to buy it separately. And the film is called Instax Instant Mini Film. This box is made with recycled paper and they printed with soy based ink. The size of the photo it can print out. This is manufactured in Japan and imported to India. Even though it says 6,500, it only costs around 3,500 or around $50 or so. You get manuals in quite a few languages, more manuals and some warning about the film. You get a raspberry colored cord. So the camera looks, it's quite chunky. That's where the film goes. That's the button to take pictures. It also has a flash. That's where the photo comes out, and you open this to put the film in. It shows how many pictures are left. You have a little bit of adjustment on the lens. Once you install the battery and the film, press this button and the lens pops out. So now this can take 10 photos. So let's take one and press the shutter. Looks like that's how it will look. I think maybe the camera was too close. It's not sharp at all. That's my bonsai tree. Again, the picture is not actually this good. The iPad is color correcting it and making it look even better. This is not bad considering I used flash. It's kind of remarkable to see it come to life at around 50 rupees or $1 per photo. It's really pricey. Don't take really up close pictures with this. This was a photo taken indoors with flash, and you can see it produces quite a good picture. Quite nice. Check it out.